In this video, I'll show you how you can create an account on CPAGrip so you can start using the platform to earn some extra money. So first, before we sign up to CPAGrip, we're going to need to go to the CPAGrip website. Now you can go ahead and go to Google and just do a search for CPAGrip, and it should be the first one to come up, or you can go to CPAGrip.com. When you're here, you can then go ahead and register in the top right hand corner. But before we do that, you can see CPAGrip is performance marketing, and you can create content lockers, URL and file lockers, video lockers, offer walls, and more. So if you go to register in the top right hand corner, you can create your account on CPAGrip. So here we are on the CPAGrip sign up page. Now I'm going to create an account with you guys, so I've just deleted these fields. So we're going to enter in my first and last name. So for the video, we'll go with Bradley Knowledge. And you can see that these have a star next to them. You can see this is a required field. Now the next one down, company, you can see it has no star, so this isn't a required field. Neither is website. You don't have to give them a website to sign up. Although one thing I will add, it is going to help if you do have a website or social media. If you've got like a YouTube channel or a Twitter profile or a Facebook page, Facebook group, just something that you've created online, it doesn't have to have many followers or many subscribers. If you have something, make sure you link it there because it's going to make it way easier to just get approved. If you don't have it though, it is fine. And then we need to enter in our address here and our phone number. So let me just do that. So now I've done that, you're now also going to need to add in a Skype username. Now this is a bit outdated. They use Skype, but just enter in your Skype username. If you don't have a Skype username, you can just go to Google and just type in Skype. And you can download Skype, or you can probably even create a Skype account on the Skype website here. So you can see open Skype in your browser. You can go ahead and create a username here. Then enter in your email, password, confirm the password, and choose a time zone. Once you've done that, you can then go to the fields on the right. So if we go to the top here, we've got publisher type. So here you've got website / incent, email, GPT, which is get paid to, or other. Now we're going to click on other, or I'm going to click on other, because for me, I will promote with my YouTube channel. But it doesn't matter what you really click. I wouldn't click if you're a beginner, get paid to. I would just choose other and just say social media. That covers basically all of the free traffic methods. So just put other and just say social media. Okay, so then you've got your email address and password. So I'll enter in mine now. So once you've done that, you've filled out your time zone. You can then type some stuff in this box here where it says, where did you hear about us? In here, I would put a YouTube training tutorial. If you put this, it shows that you're trying to learn, that you know what CPAGrip is, you know how to use it, and you're not just stumbling across CPAGrip from like a friend recommending it to you. So put something like YouTube training tutorial here, then agree to these terms, and then click here where it says register now. So now I've done that, I'm now taken to the dashboard of CPAGrip. I've just got an email about my account, and we've got a message here from John. So it says here, hello, welcome to CPAGrip. The support staff and I are pleased to welcome you. You can then go to the frequent questions if you want to, and you can message John if you've got any questions or problems. So we're going to close this. Now here we've got the public chat. So on the public chat, you can see people are kind of like flexing their earnings. So this person's earned $144 today, $25, $92. And you can see you've got different amounts. This person's earned $18,000 all time. So CPAGrip does work. People are making good money with it, $112.55. You just have to figure out how to get people to click on your links and complete the actions. And that is the game, right? And I'll cover it in a second, but all you have to do is get traffic to go to an offer and get them to complete that offer. So we've also got our live stats here on the right. You've got your hourly stats. And if you scroll down here, we can see that my email is not yet being verified, and I've not added a payment method. So if I go to Payment Center, I can then enter in my details. I wouldn't worry about this straight away because if you've not earned any money, you're not going to get paid anyway. But just to make it clear, the minimum payout is $50. So once you've earned $50, they will pay out. And you can add Payoneer, prepaid MasterCards, global bank transfer, USA bank transfer, or PayPal. I just choose PayPal because it's easiest for me. So then coming over here, you've got your dashboard, which is the page that we were just on. You've got your stats, which I'm not going to cover in this video because I've got no traffic or anything on this account. You've then got monetization tools. So here you've got content lockers, URL/file lockers, video lockers, and offer walls. Now most of you are going to be using the first two, so I'll cover them. So if we go to content lockers, it says here that I have to verify my email, so let me just do that and then I'll be back. So now I've done that, I can now create a new content locker. I'll agree to the terms here and we'll click continue. Now content lockers are used when you have a website, you have a piece of content, and you want to use this here that pops up to lock your content. So let me just change to the United States because I'm in Thailand right now, it's showing me Thai offers. But this is what it would look like if you want to lock a piece of content on your website. So you can customize this for desktop traffic, mobile traffic, and so on. And you can change the font face, the overlay, the speed that the pop-up appears, the offer size, and a lot of stuff you can change here. And you can also enter custom CSS tweaks if you want to, but that's obviously not for beginners. And once you're happy with your offer, you can then click save. And you've then got a content locker which you can get the code for and then embed it onto your website. Now, if you don't have a website, I recommend you use URL/file lockers. So if you click on that, and then create a new URL locker, agree to the terms like usual, and click continue, you can then lock a specific URL or file. So let's say I wanted to lock this 100 weight loss tips PDF, which is on my Google Drive, and I can just go ahead and copy the link for this. Then what I can do is go back to CPAGrip and then paste in the link that we've just copied into the locked URL. And then when somebody goes to this website, they then click on this begin download button. It will then give them surveys, and when they complete these surveys or complete one of these offers, we will then get paid. Now again, it shows you offers in your country. I'm in Thailand, so it's showing me Thai offers. That's probably why you can't understand. But here are the American offers for if you was to send American traffic. You can also customize these. They have templates. One that I like is this catchable one here. So they can complete one of these, and when they do, they'll be redirected to the file or the URL that you've put here. And then when people complete these offers, you will get paid. Now, how much you get paid depends on the offer here. So if you go to offer tools and then you go to my offers, what CPAGrip will do is they will show your traffic the recommended offers for them. So this is based on country, what device they're on, and so on. So if I go to country and I can change this country to the United States, because that's where a lot of traffic is going to come from, you'll then be able to see offers in the US. And these offers are just like general offers, like iPhone 14 offer. If someone enters in their email here and completes this, you'll be paid $2.73. You've got 86 cents for this one. And it depends where your traffic click and what offer they complete, but you're going to earn different amounts here depending on your traffic. You've also then got under the offer tools, the referral program. If you want to recommend CPAGrip to anyone, if you give them your link when it loads here, you will receive 5% commissions for life. That isn't that much, but it is something. Now, getting traffic to your offers is the most difficult part for beginners to understand. So I've created a video which runs you through a full method with CPA marketing and ChatGPT to automate this whole thing. So if you want to check that out, watch this video here, and I'll see you in the next one.